Hi everyone, welcome to 234 Lombards Mill Lane in Cypress Ridge. Cypress Ridge has fantastic amenities including 2 swimming pools, 1 with a lazy river, a fitness center, clubhouse, and so much more. It's also very convenient to downtown Bluffton as well as a short trip from Savannah. So we're starting today in the kitchen because I love this huge island, the granite countertops, the timeless white cabinets, a lovely subway tile, built-in microwave, gas range, huge pantry, French door refrigerator, as well as a great spot for your morning coffee. We're also very open to the living space in this floor plan. You can see how much room there is for gathering and just hanging out. There's also French doors that lead out to the screen porch and the backyard, and then a generously sized dining area. Here we are in the owner's suite. It is nicely separated from the rest of the bedrooms in the home and has a spacious owner's bath, including a double vanity, soaking tub, separate shower, walk-in closet, and a separate water closet. Just off the front hallway are 2 additional bedrooms, a bath, linen closet, laundry room, access to the 2-car garage, a large storage closet, and the 4th bedroom. Thanks for checking out 234 Lombards Mill Lane in Cypress Ridge with me. If you'd like more information, you can visit my website, kateyakini.com, or you can call or text me at 843-683-5283.